on the journey of unity, culture, and art as we bring the vibrant stories of Dusun and Rungu's motif to life in Sabah. As a coordinator and the commenter of this incredible project, I am honored to share the emotional moments that unfolded during our journey. Our passionate public relations team members mobilized the nearby art community in Kundasang, laying the foundation for a powerful collaboration to create a proposal that would capture the essence of these rich cultural traditions. But our true triumph lies in the unwavering support of the local community. 10 to 15 enthusiastic youngsters from Rumah Budaya and Inovasi join us, dedicating themselves to the installation until day 14. Their commitment and passion were truly heartwarming. While promoting and celebrating culture was our main objective, we strive to go beyond that. Our aim was to shed light on the hidden gems within the local arts and culture community, as well as the surrounding campsite by exposing them to a wider audience. This project has been resounding success, not only in terms of merging different communities, but in fostering a deep sense of unity in our collective pursuit of creativity.
Gini-gini habis dia mau begini gitu. Iya, dia mau begitu-gitu. Gini-gini saya. Terus apa lagi tuh dia bilang terus dia bilang kamu tanya-tanya begini dia bilang. Boleh dapat bantuan kayaknya. Insyaallah dia bilang.